Hey everyone, Codex here. So today what we're gonna do is take a look at Elrond and we'll be going over the bearish momentum that we are still experiencing. So if you guys like the content, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course make sure to join our Patreon account. So in the last EGLD video, we say that we are currently holding the support level and it will be really exciting to see if we will manage to break higher or if we will experience a trap and go much lower. And as the CPI news came out, Elrond ended up going back down and heading to the support, which is the level that we've been testing pretty much since the end of June. And so it's been a while now, and I've always said that the more we test a key level, such as this one, the higher the odds of breaking below it are. And this level has in fact been tested 6 to 7 times already, which should make us even more cautious. Now, if EGLD loses the $48 to $49 support, then we will be heading back down to this high volume node, which is about 20% down from where we currently are. And I really remember discussing the area that we are in for months now. By the way, we drew this level before we even dropped there. And when we dropped, I remember saying that, first of all, EGLD will most likely spend a lot of time in this range. And I also say that I do expect us to come again and visit this level, which of course hasn't happened yet. What I thought would happen hasn't taken place in the last 2 months, but I still haven't changed my mind on that. Look, I'm not going to say that there isn't a chance of rallying from here, but all the indicators are telling us that the trend is still very weak to see any serious rally. If you take a look at the KDJ, for example, on the weekly time frame, we can see that we don't have a bullish cross yet between the blue and orange lines, and the black line is still going down, indicating a low buying pressure. And usually what we want to see is something like this: a bullish cross where the blue line heads to the upside first before the orange line, of course, and you also need the black line to rally up. That's usually the time when you should move in a buying / long position, but the indicator isn't showing that for the time being on this time frame. And until that changes, I think that every heavy entry is really risky. The only thing that has changed with Elrond is the level at which the bull market support band is trending at. It's currently much lower than the last time we covered it, as it dropped all the way down to roughly $60 US. It's not close to where we are, but there will be a time in the next few weeks where EGLD will be at the same level as the bull market support band, and that would be really important to keep an eye on, because we know that trending above this band is one of the first bullish signals we tend to encounter by the end of every bear market. And look, I mean, the last time we've got rejected, which was back in here, we ended up getting destroyed and dropping down 82%. And so yeah, I think that keeping an eye on this is essential. Overall, I still think that Elrond will spend more time in this region, and I expect more downside in the future. I believe that the bear market will extend for another 6 months to probably even longer. This doesn't mean that we can't go up. I'll never say that. It just means that you won't really experience significant returns like the returns we tend to experience in a bull market and an uptrend. So yeah, that was about it, everyone, for today. Thanks for sticking by till the end. Also, if you want to store your cryptocurrencies, stable coins, or even Elrond in a safe hardware wallet during this bear market, make sure to check out Decent. They are currently offering a discount on their biometric wallet. So make sure to check it out. Have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.